Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's May 14th. We're in the okra row here, doing a little pruning. Now this okra likes hot weather, and it's getting warmer, but it's not really hot. We did, along with a bunch of green beans, we did get a couple pieces of okra. One's a little large. Maybe it's not too tough. We'll just have to cut it and see. But when to prune this, and you can do yours however you want, but I'll tell you what we do is when it starts forming an okra on there, we trim the leaves off below it. Most of them start to get a little bit ragged, maybe bugs got them or something. But what that does is it focuses all that energy up to that okra, and it makes it really easy to see them when you get ready. But you can see these are loaded up. They've got okra all over. They're just popping them out left and right. Some's a little smaller than others. We have other varieties up here. This one's got a flower opening up, and I come by once these flowers open and I pull that little thing that's left from them. A lot of times it'll deform it, or possible get some rot if it stays wet, if you got wet weather, so let it dry out. But these are loaded up with okra. Got a new bloom coming up there, fixing to bloom. We have 3 different kinds here. We have our burgundy, which a lot of people like the burgundy okra better than the others. We have a emerald, and we have a Clemson spineless. And we just plant all 3. If we have a situation with one of them, one variety, sometimes the year's just not right and one variety might just die out. And if we just plant one variety, we wouldn't ensure that we were getting plenty of okra on them. But as you can see, they have a beautiful flower on them. Bumblebees like them. Never had a problem with not getting pollinated. But okra's an easy crop if you like it. Now, I only like it 2 ways. I like it, well, I'll take it in soup too. If I make a gumbo or a soup, I'll put some in there, thicken it up. But I like it fried, and I like it seasoned and freeze dried. Eat it as a snack, just like that. But you might consider growing okra. Now, you can see this already producing. We're just at the middle of May. Normally it'd be a little bit later because a lot of people don't put these in until later. This, I think, went in sometime in March, and it was still cool, but we germinated these inside, grew the transplants up. So they were plants that we put in March, and they're just really doing great. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this okra update. And of course, if you want to see more, just subscribe, follow me, and give it a big thumbs up. That really helps out. Enjoy that gardening experience.